Hi, in this video we will show how you can integrate along with Loyaltylion to reward users with loyalty points when they write a review on your shop. Here's how to do it. Go to External Integrations, and in Integrations, click the Loyaltylion option. Then, enable this. After that, your Loyaltylion page, go to Manage. After that, scroll down and click on Settings. Finally, at the very end, your token and secret will be shown. Copy them and place it in the Opinew page. Once you're done, click on Save. Then, the Loyaltylion preferences will update. Good, now your interaction is active. In order to start tracking users and giving them reward points, you'll first need to create a custom rule to trigger it. So follow these steps. Back in Loyaltylion, click on Create New Rule. Then select Custom Rule. Now, as the identifier, you need to set left underscore review underscore on underscore Opinew. Make sure it's exactly that, because that's the identifier we use for customers who write reviews on Opinew. After that, select the number of points you want to reward your customers. For example, 200. In Approval method, select Immediate. Then in Limit, you can set the limit for your rewards. For example, you can only give points 1 times per day, week, month, or year. This is up to you. After that, give your rule a title. This is how the activity will appear to customers in the Loyaltylion panel. For example, reviewers. Now the notification. This will be seen by customers when they receive points. Copy this and set up it like points for leaving a review. The points text will be replaced with the actual amount of points awarded. After that, you need to set a description. This will be seen by the customers in Loyaltylion panel when they click on a rule. This is optional. Finally, once you're done, click on Create Rule. You wait a few seconds. And that's it. Now you created your custom rule to reward customers. Now, in order to get a reward, your customer must be enrolled in your loyalty base. This will be shown in your customers page. If a customer is enrolled, the reward will be automatically added and you'll see the customer status enrolled here in your customer. If the customer who left a review is not enrolled, the status of that customer will be guessed, like this. It's up to you to encourage them to get enrolled. When they do, the status will be changed to enrolled and the reward will be automatically added.